Good afternoon, family, friends, fans, and followers. Extreme Kareem comes to you live on this January 25th, 2026 from New York City, and it's official, our first blizzard of the season. Right now, I'm in New York City's Central Park. It's absolutely brutally cold out here. The wind chill feels like it's 5 degrees below zero, but you know what? I'm having a wonderful time. This is where New York is at its finest. And of course, you have to be careful what you wish for, because now you got it. And this is my perspective. I'm near 106th Street and 5th Avenue, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm here. I can't believe I actually decided to go outside, but you know what? I feel wonderful. This is almost like a spiritual cleansing. Excuse the unstable camera perspective, but it's windy on top of that. Take a quick look. I'm by the lake on 110th Street in Central Park. This is what it looks like. New York City's first official blizzard of 2026. You see that span of snow is actually the lake frozen over. It's a little difficult holding the camera steady. I'm trying not to fall into the lake. As you see, it's really windy out here, but it's beautiful. This is New York City at its finest during the winter season. Anyway, I hope everyone in Florida, I know you guys are jealous of the absolute frigid temperatures and this blizzard that is covering New York. The kids tomorrow are definitely gonna have a winter day off, but from my understanding, they're still gonna have to homeschool. But regardless, it's absolutely beautiful. This is Extreme Kareem coming with another New York minute, another New York story, another New York incredible tradition. And if you're old enough as I am to remember the 80s and 90s, this is what New York used to look like. Anyway, you take care, have a wonderful day, and don't be jealous. Extreme Kareem, you already know.